Hi there and happy holidays. My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and if you forget about the errors of the past, you're doomed to repeat it in the future. We're talking about email links and attachments. I don't want you to open any links or attachments in emails these holidays or all year round. See, phishing scams are a problem for individuals, businesses, cities, schools, hospitals, and such. They attempt to extort, defraud, and destroy people's identities and financial situations. In a single week, I have received phony spam complaints against YouTube channel, phony security alerts from my bank account, and of course, the funniest, phony refund notices from Amazon requiring personal information. Don't click on a single link or open a single attachment in your email. Don't believe anything that you are reading in your email unless you can thoroughly validate it. See, the consequences of doing so can be anywhere from ransomware demanding money while your computer remains encrypted, which cripples businesses and hospitals and such, to the point that some actually declare bankruptcy, all the way down to man-in-the-middle attacks that compromise your user credentials and one-time tokens. And if you're using the same username and password in more than one place, you'll be crippling other accounts as well. This is how you are to stay safe these holidays and all year round. Be vigilant, don't open attachments, and don't click links. Whenever you're handling anything to do with a specific website, like Google or Facebook or any other place, you can log in directly by not clicking a link, and whatever function they needed you to do will simply appear there, or you go to the correct section to change what you need to change. You don't really need to click links in emails at all. What will happen if you click on a link or open an attachment by accident? Well, chances are your computer will become compromised and or infected. First things first, close your computer. No matter what, close your computer. Second thing, if you're in a business, medical, or government setting, contact your ID department immediately before it costs them thousands or millions of dollars for what might be a simple mistake. Closing a computer and then notifying them immediately means that they can rectify the problem immediately. If this is on your own personal computer and has to do with your own personal accounts being compromised, contact those businesses and websites that have been compromised immediately so you can gain control back of your account and not lose a single thing. And if they're trying to order stuff through your account, you can at least cancel those orders before you end up paying hundreds or thousands of dollars for things that you're not actually buying yourself. Taking immediate action, closing your computer, and contacting the correct business areas and websites will net you a loss that is near to nothing and cost you nothing in the end. But the best way to stay safe these holidays and all year long, don't click on links in emails, don't open attachments, and very obviously, use a different password on every single website. And for these holidays, instead of clicking links and opening attachments, do your kids a favor, plug in those consoles, update the firmware so they can start playing right away. Because there's nothing more annoying than having to update a console that you just got before you can play your favorite game. My next episode will be January 7th, 2020. Happy holidays. Like if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes to this episode, past others. Find other ways of subscribing and use the contact form to email me directly. Remember, I won't actually open any links. And of course, you can watch me play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, starting at midnight Eastern Time, currently playing The Witcher 3, by going to twitch.tv/ZEDAXIS1981. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.